Imagine you want to build something. It could be website for your business, it could be application for your work, it could be AI agents or automation for your clients or any software that you want to build. Now you come on a platform, you describe the idea and within few minutes your fully functional product is ready for you. You don't need to deal with authentication, you don't need to deal with the databases, even deployment. All will be handled by AI agent. And I am talking about Replit Agent-3 and this is completely insane. It creates your idea into a fully functional product within few minutes. Now, one thing is very clear that AI agent building is going to change soon and Replit 3 has started this revolution. Now you don't need to learn a lot of complex platforms like N8N, Relevance and many other. In this video, I'm going to discuss the three major points. First, what is Replit Agent 3? Second, I'll give you a critical analysis about Replit Agent 3. And third is that we will be discussing what is the business opportunity you can create using Replit Agent 3. Now, before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Mitawa and I have been building AI agents for more than 1.5 years so far. And I have built multiple AI agents for top companies, even for top executive peoples who are VPs at companies like Rolls-Royce and Bombardier. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, what is Replit Agent 3? It creates you website, applications, AI automations, agents, and even any type of software that you want to build by just describing a few lines of ideas that you want to build. And within few minutes, a fully functional product is ready for you. You don't need to write a single line of code. So even if you're not technical, you don't have the knowledge about coding technicalities, you can still build powerful application automations, agents and everything on Replit Agent 3. Now the best thing in Replit Agent 3 is that it has a self-testing and debugging mode which handles all the testing and self-debugging by itself. So you don't need to have any QA engineer, you don't need to become a front-end engineer, backend engineer, you don't need anyone. You just describe the idea and within few minutes your fully functional product is ready. Now you can ask me, Gaurav, what is critical with Replit Agent 3? Replit has core competence in building faster MVP, faster prototypes, and building small to medium scale application. But when it comes to dealing with the core complex workflows, agents, automations, it is still critical for Replit to build such powerful application because Replit can build any application, automation, agents under 200 minutes. If the complex workflows takes more than 200 minutes, it is still critical for Replit Agent 3 to build such powerful applications. Now, the third most important point is what is the business opportunity with Replit Agent 3? This is the time, as founder of NVIDIA said, that this is the time that you can build a company by just from one person. And Replit Agent 3 platform like this helps you to build that company. How? Now you don't need to have technical knowledge, you don't need to have a engineer, software engineer in company. You can just describe the idea that whatever you have and you find a problem in a particular segment or niche. You describe the idea, you build a prototype and then you started scaling it. And as you scale it, you can build a fully functional product. So this opportunity is something that can be grabbed easily and just within few minutes. You just have some idea, you can describe and then you are ready with the fully functional product. Second most important thing is that micro SaaS is getting huge traction right now in the market. You can build micro SaaS platform for people like hotel owners, restaurant owners or dentists, hospital owners and many other small scale businesses. And you can scale your micro SaaS platform. You can easily build. You don't need to have a software engineer. You don't need to write code. You just describe the problem and then it will build the micro SaaS platform. And you can sell that platform for software as a service. It's like a micro SaaS. And then you can just reach out to your nearby local businesses and then start scaling that business. So building companies using platform like Replit Agent 3 has become so easy that this is the biggest opportunity as a person. If you don't have any technical knowledge, you can get. And this is the leverage that AI gives you. And this is the perfect time to take that leverage. Now, this is all for today and I will catch you in the next video.